In question 5, you look at a balloon, spherical balloon. So the volume is actually 4 third pi r cubed if you let the radius of the balloon be r. Here given that the volume increasing at the rate of 10 meter cubed, it means you are given dv dt is 10. Then you want to find the rate at which the surface area increasing. Surface area, right? A for a sphere is 4 pi r squared. And what you want is to find dA dt when radius is 5. When radius is 5. So when radius is 5, you can first find dV dr. dV dr means you differentiate r cubed, which gives you 3r squared. Differentiate r cubed will give you 3r squared. So the 3 and the 3 will cancel to give you 4 pi r squared. So dV dr is 4 pi r squared. A is 4 pi r squared. So you can find dA dr, which is 8 pi r. The question gives you dV dt is 10. The question gives you dV dt is 10. The question gives you dV dt is 10. And you want to find dA dt. To find dA dt, so must link it together with what you have. Again, it's like you have V, you have A, you have R, then you want to link with dt. So there are 4 variables. So actually you should have this. You want to find dA dt, and you know dA dr, so you should write down dA dr. Then the question gives you dV dt. The question gives you dV dt. So which means you need a dr dV as a bridge. You need dr dV as a bridge, which you have. You have dV dr is this. So which means you make use of the fact dr dV is 1 over dV dr. So instead of multiply, you change it to divide by dV dr because of this. Because it's 1 divided by dV dr. Instead of multiplying by dr dV, you should divide by dV dr. So dA dr is 8 pi r. 8 pi r. Then dV dt is given to be 10. Then dV dr is 4 pi r squared, and it's divided. And all this simplifies to 20 over r. And the question asks for when the radius is 5, rate of change of surface when radius is 5. When radius is 5, find dA dt when r is 5. So this r you just sub as 5, and you get 4 meters squared per second.